Guys.
Wait, it didn't start. Okay. Hi guys, it's me. Next play with 0731 special guest
Autumn Payton.
at a 0731. This is the kitten #1 Shadow. We're gonna put it all together, a scary card, and the kitten interview. And number 2 kitten.
Meow meow. This is Kelly. She's a calico. You could see probably because her face and look. She may be pregnant.
So we're gonna find it.
Mwah.
Alright, kitty, you ready?
And they are 5 months old. Him and her.
Here we go. Hope you like. They can still see us even if there's another page up. See, they can still see us. Okay, guys. Oh my God! Scary. God, that's not even scary, Autumn.
I know.
I jumped back. Now sit down and be relaxed. Let the kitten see you too. Don't be scared, Autumn. I've seen it alone. Watch this! Autumn, don't hide. Be in the middle with me. Watch.
Got scared.
That's the face.
I think Callie got scared.
I think she did too. Hold on a minute.
Oh!
Oh my God! 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 Ow! Get off my hair! Okay.
Okay. They're smiling.
Everybody roll fist like this.
Whoa.